Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Airbnb password. Quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to Airbnb.com in a web browser. Make sure you are logged out or go to the login screen from the menu. On the login page, find and click or tap Forgot Password. Choose the email address or phone number that you use to create your Airbnb account. Type your email address carefully, then select Continue. If you prefer SMS, enter your phone number with the correct country code, then select Continue. Open your email inbox or your text messages and wait for Airbnb's reset message. If you do not see the email, check Spam, Junk, Promotions, and all mail folders. Search your mailbox for Airbnb and reset your password to find the message faster. Open the Airbnb message and click the password reset link. If the link does not open, copy the full link and paste it into your browser address bar. When the reset page loads, create a new password that you have not used before. Use at least 12 characters and mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using your name, birthday, or common words to keep it secure. Type the new password again in the confirmation field to prevent typing mistakes. Click or tap Reset Password or Save to confirm the change. Go back to the Airbnb login page and sign in with your email or phone number. Enter your new password and make sure Caps Lock is not turned on. If you use a password manager, update the saved Airbnb password right away. If you are still locked out, return to Forgot Password and request a new link. Use the most recent reset email or SMS because older links may expire. If you no longer have access to your email or phone, select the Account Recovery option on the Help page. Verify your identity by following the on-screen instructions from Airbnb support. After you regain access, open account settings in your Airbnb profile. Go to Login and Security and review your security options. Turn on two-step verification if it is available to protect your account. Sign out of other devices if you suspect someone else has access. Log in again once to confirm everything works smoothly with the new password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.